Alright, good morning guys. This is Mr. Wise Investor, ang ka-discard trader mo sa investing na easy para sa mga taong busy. And in this video, may papakita ko sa yung ginawa ko na if gusto mong gawin, pwedeng may more potential in copying OddCAD solo leveling. So if ready ka na, watch this video until the end. Because may i-reveal akong ginawa ko na pwede mong gayahin din kung gusto mo. Game! Alright. So, explain ko muna yung context ng gagawin ko. Actually, ginawa ko na siya. Explain ko na sa inyo ano yun para makita mo yung gold mine. So, watch this video until the end ha. Game. Una, tingnan natin si OddCAD solo leveling when it comes to the performance on that following period. Tingnan natin muna siya. Niready ko na ito from July to September. Okay? So, it made 3% on that period and then nagkaroon siya ng isang drawdown that led it at 9.59%. So may isang drawdown siya na malaki during that period around September, no? And monthly gains, July is a very like lean month niya. And then August it's 1.56 and September 1.28. So tinignan ko din yung statistics ni Shadow Technique when it comes to its move niya in OddCAD solo leveling. Okay? So since magkaiba naman sila when it comes to the approach, pero may similarities naman din when it comes to its strategies, pwede natin gawing reference. Okay? So, ito natin dito sa yan. So ito yung kay Shadow, past 3 years. Tingnan natin dito. So si Shadow, of course, mas later siya nag-exit. Okay, later yung nag-exit. Pero same almost sila ng time frame na ginagamit, mas late lang nga nakaka-exit. Because of that, in the past 3 years, may spike nung mga period ng April 7, may spike din na period ng September 30, may spike din na period na April 9, may spike din na level 5 around June, no? So basically, Q2 and April yung pinaka-highest drawdown niya that led this data. Isang beses lang all that 3 years. So, i-zoom in pa natin further last year yung data. Okay, this is Shadow ha. Pero similarities nila dito, of course, ang difference lang nila is of course the lot sizing lang naman. So, basically, mas faster exit pa dapat si OddCAD kaysa kay Shadow. Si Shadow kasi on the level 5 pa siya. Okay? So, dito nakita natin last year, yung pinakamalaking drawdown niya was September 30, okay, and also April. Ito yung gold mine that I want you guys to focus. If Shadow and OddCAD solo leveling is trading the same data. Look at the July and August data. 'Di ba? Look at the July and August data. So sobrang tahimik lang niya when it comes to this period. Mean reverting lang siya. Kumbaga in trend, sideways lang siya. And if the trend is sideways, that fits the strategy of Shadow, that fits the strategy of OddCAD solo leveling. So imagine if the same period last year, magkakaroon siya ng same number of trades na level 2, level 3. Mas marami tayong makukuha. So this is what I did. May profits ako sa Shadow ko, may profit din ako sa gold and Izanagi ko. Yung profits na to, yung profits ko sa mga account na yan, I extracted it and made a new account. Gumawa ko ng bagong account. And then what I did is this. 10 times 2 yung multiplier. Na-inspire po kasi ako dun sa isang client na 3 months ago, naglagay siya ng 1 million. And then by mistake, na times 5 naman niya yung multiplier. Okay, after 3 months, yung 1 million niya naging 2 million. Sabi ko, possible pala talaga, no? And what transpired pag nung time na yon is hindi niya sinasadya. Pero that gave me an idea na what if i-maximize ko based on data? What if dodoblein ko yung risk ko on July to September, then babalik ko na ulit siya ng times 1 multiplier before magkaroon ng mga spikes ulit. So what I did is yung mga profits ko, ginawa ko ng bagong odd CAD solo leveling. Basta naplano ko siya. And then I double the multiplier. Some of my friends, ginawa pa nga nila times 2, times 3. Pero ako lang, syempre, as conservative as I am, times 2 lang yung ginawa ko. So I hope I give you a gold mine in this video. Just make sure that you are just plan this out kung gagawin mo to. And aside from that, of course, don't be greedy. Okay, don't be greedy. Dapat profits mo lang or willing to risk mo. Kasi syempre you're incurring more risk to something na gagawin mo. Okay? So, I hope that helps. See you on the next video. This is Mr. Wise Investor John P. Always dumidiskarte for you para sa mga taong busy. Bye!